Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Huskar. Huskar is a formidable strength hero, renowned for his aggressive, front-line approach in battles. His unique abilities empower him to inflict greater damage and become incredibly resilient as his health diminishes. He truly shines when diving into enemy lines, securing crucial kills, especially during the early stages of the game. Mastering his core mechanics is absolutely essential for unleashing his full potential and dominating your matches. Let's delve into Huskar's powerful abilities and essential items. Inner Fire disarms foes for up to 4 seconds, offering vital crowd control. Burning Spear applies a potent damage over time effect, stacking up to 8 times for sustained damage. Berserker's Blood makes him incredibly tough, granting bonus attack speed and magic resistance as his health drops. His ultimate, Life Break, lets him leap at an enemy, dealing up to 65% of their current health. Early items like Armlet of Mordigian and Power Treads are key for his initial power surge. To dominate the early game, prioritize securing last hits and denying enemy creeps. This builds a crucial gold and experience advantage. Utilize Burning Spear to constantly harass opponents, forcing them to retreat from the lane. Always be on the lookout for kill opportunities with Life Break, particularly against vulnerable, low-health heroes. Work closely with your support to apply relentless pressure and maintain control of your lane. Remember to sustain your aggressive play with ample health regeneration. As the game progresses, continue pushing objectives and securing Roshan with your team. Position yourself strategically to initiate teamfights using Life Break, always targeting high-priority enemy heroes. Leverage Berserker's Blood to absorb significant burst damage, often turning the tide of battle in your favor. Consider powerful items such as Black King Bar for magic immunity and Satanic for immense lifesteal. Huskar remains a formidable frontliner, absorbing damage while delivering devastating physical attacks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.